Samsung is getting ready to launch its next foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and leaks have given us a sneak peek at what's coming. At first, early renders showed a design similar to the Flip Sticks, which made people think Samsung wasn't making big changes. But now, a new set of renders suggests something very different. The biggest change in the Flip 7 is its cover display. Samsung is taking inspiration from Motorola's Razr series, making the screen much bigger and more seamless. Unlike past Z Flip models, where the cover display had a separate section for the cameras, the new design fully integrates the cameras within the screen. The new cover display is rumored to be 4 inches, up from 3.4 inches on the Flip 6. This may not sound like a huge difference, but it makes the outer screen more useful. Notifications, widgets, and even small apps will be easier to use without opening the phone. For the past 2 years, Samsung hasn't changed much about the Z Flip's cover screen. Meanwhile, Motorola's Razr Plus has gained popularity by offering a larger, more functional cover display. Samsung likely noticed that users want a bigger, more interactive outer screen, so they're finally making this upgrade. The new renders show that the camera keyouts will be inside the cover display, just like on the Motorola Razr Plus. This means the screen will look more modern and polished. With a 4-inch display, users can do more on the cover screen without unfolding the phone, like checking messages, using widgets, and even running apps. Samsung is expected to officially announce the Flip 7 in July or August. While leaks have changed over time, the latest information strongly suggests this new design is happening. If true, it will make the Z Flip 7 much more competitive against Motorola's Razr series. The Flip 7 will also launch with Samsung's One UI 7. This means the phone will get the latest software improvements, making it even smoother to use. The beta version of One UI 7 is set to launch soon, so we may get a first look at how it works on foldable phones. If Samsung sticks to this new design, the Flip 7 could be a major step forward. A bigger cover display, better usability, and a modern design will make it a strong competitor in the foldable market. As we wait for the official announcement, more leaks are expected to confirm these details. Stay tuned for more updates.